Hi, welcome to the Star City Storytime, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. I'm Miss Sharon, and I'm going to read a favorite book of mine today called There's an Alligator Under My Bed. It's by Mercer Mayer, and it's from Penguin Publishing. Okay, here we go. There used to be an alligator under my bed. When it was time to go to sleep, I had to be very careful, because I knew he was there. But whenever I looked, he hid or something. So I'd call Mom and Dad. He's yelling there. But they never saw it. It was up to me. I just had to do something about that alligator. So I went to the kitchen to get some alligator bait. I filled a paper bag full of things alligators like to eat. I put a peanut butter sandwich, some fruit, and the last piece of pie in the garage. I put cookies down the hall, and I left fresh vegetables on the stairs. I put a soda and some candy next to my bed. Then I watched and waited. Sure enough, out he came to get something to eat. Then I hid in the hall closet. I followed him down the stairs. I followed him down the hall. When he crawled into the garage, I slammed the door and locked it. Then I went to bed. There wasn't any mess to clean up. Now that there's an alligator in the garage, I wonder if my dad will have trouble tomorrow getting in his car. So I'll just leave him a note. And this is what it says. First of all, he made a picture of an alligator. And then he said, "Dear Dad, there's an alligator in the garage. If you need help, wake me up. Warning, be careful." Isn't that a cute story? Okay, if you stop by the library to pick up your packet, I want to show you what is in it. First of all, you get a paper like this, and it's to make an alligator card. So you're going to color this and color the eyes, okay, and then cut it out. After you cut it out, you'll have two sides. This side and this side. And so you'll want to color this side also. Fold it in half, glue the eyes on, and then you can write or draw something inside your card. See all its teeth? Okay, there you go. Another thing that you will find in there is an alligator. Connect the dots. There you go. A is for alligator. And then you will also find this. It's an alligator visor. You'll find one of these cords and you hook it into the back, and then you flip his eyes up. You can even fold his nose up if you would like, and then you put it on and wear it. And you can tell somebody the story while you're wearing the alligator hat. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Next time we'll read about Little Blue Truck's Springtime. So until the next time, keep reading. Bye-bye.